All right, we have a lengthy email. Guys, court is now in session. They wrote me and they said, 2 attorneys, $50K in legal fees, and behind the 8 ball from their actions. What do I do? Change your facts. Change the facts. Because one thing an attorney cannot do is change what happened. Only you, your spouse, and the forces that be with you all and the universe are in control of that. And God, if you all believe in God, are in control of the facts. And we take what we get and we make lemonade out of it. And that's what we do. So it doesn't always mean that it's the attorney's fault because you're on the losing end. The facts may have your ass out of there. But let me just finish reading. I'm set for trial in a contested divorce filed March of 2020. My spouse is abusive and controlled everything in marriage, including the finances. He co-founded a software company during our marriage and is now affluent with 23 million shares valued at $6 to $8 each. And that's one asset of many of our marriage. My attorneys refuse to work with forensics. No evidence submitted or subpoenas or witnesses contacted. I have over 3,000 pages of evidence and documents supporting my case. I was just dropped a second time without proper notice, and my spouse is claiming income deficiency. The attorneys I hired actually worked in his favor and let him get away with what I thought would not be possible by never bringing it to the attention of the court or judge. The discovery period is over with, I believe. I'm stuck pro se from my trial and in a horrible position. What do I do? Change your damn attitude, because your ass is hard to work with, hard to be married to, and hard to work for. Okay? Let me explain something to you all, and I'm being dead honest with you. You all people, you folks who fly through attorneys like draws and blame it on everyone else, need to take a look at yourselves. Blaming an attorney and saying that it's their fault that you're in the position you're in if somebody was that abusive, etc., that's not fair. Because at the end of the day, if the court deems that somebody was that abusive to you, I'm sure your attorney went for some sort of temporary orders or otherwise to assist you. And if the court did not find in your favor, then the court did not find in your favor. And that's just how that goes. Sometimes if you lose, it is not the fault of the attorneys. Many times it is fault of the clients, okay? And ma'am, you just are not accepting any responsibility in this. And in addition, you seem like you're a little entitled. And I'm not saying that because you say that he has, 23 million shares and they're $6 to $8 a piece. I'm saying that because your ass had the nerve to say that they didn't work with the forensics, team. They didn't do this. They didn't subpoena this and they didn't subpoena that. With what damn funds would they be? So you want them to go in their pocket and pay for your case expense fees and do the damn work for free? Because obviously you stopped paying at some point. So not only are they supposed to work for free, but now they're supposed to foot a bill to prove your damn case and then hope they get the money back from the other side. They may work and foot their labor and their toil for free after a certain point, but they damn sure are not, they're not responsible for paying your case fees. This is no contingency case because contingency cases are not allowed, okay? In some aspects of divorces, and I'll just say in some aspects of law, excuse me. And so with this divorce, it's not a contingency fee because it can't be. Therefore, they're not paying your shit. Get your entitled ass on somewhere. You are pro se for a reason, and you will meet your demise if you don't straighten your attitude up and find an attorney that you're going to work with and deal with. Because I just don't believe what you're writing me. And I'm not being biased to attorneys because I know, or in favor of attorneys, because I know how we can be. But I also know how clients can be, and you wrote this letter and I'm reading what you wrote. There's nothing wrong that anyone did other than everyone else, and no one did anything. You didn't do shit. Okay, you have all these pages of evidence, and you were dropped a second time without proper notice. That right there let me know that's a lie. Because attorneys cannot get off of a case without properly notifying you. How in the hell would the judge let 2 of them slide off without notifying you in $1 million divorce? So you were notified. You probably declined to accept the notice and left the certified mail at the front so that it was returned. Some stupid shit you did, but you're not getting past me, and I'm not taking your shit, and I need you to exit the courtroom. Go find you some manners and come back. And then maybe we can get somewhere with you. Okay, next case. No. Hell to the no.